Hi all. So today's video we are talking about how to become a data engineer or Azure data engineer with the help of your mind presence. So if you get a problem in your side in first time, what will you need? So that time definitely you have a mind presence. I can able to solve the problem. So that will be the first step. And then you need to build out like logical thinking. If you get a problem, you definitely know how to you can implement those problems and how you can write down a paper which are the ways we can solve the problem. So that is the best way when you writing the things, or if you making noise and oh, this is the path, then your logic will build slowly. So this is the suggestion for the freshers who just pass out and who want to crack these kind of interviews also. And the second thing will be, we need to know one programming language. We need to expert in one programming language. My suggestion, you need to go with the Python, because Python is easy compared to other languages and there are a lot of things are available in the Python. So that was the reason Python you can implement in the case. Then move on the SQL part. SQL part you need to solve a lot of questions, because a real life scenario is different from your theory portion. When you're solving the problem with the help of these keywords, it will get more efficient in your SQL skill. So that is the reason I'm suggesting you to go and pick some real life scenario and do daily. After 30 days, you can see the how our change, how our logical thinking, how our programming skill improves. Then move on the data engineering side. There are a lot of things. For example, if you want to big data engineer, there's a Hadoop ecosystem, Spark ecosystem, Hive ecosystems are available, and you need to know about the Linux also. But if you're moving into the cloud data engineers, that means huge demand in the industry. You have some kind of configuration skill, definitely you know, and you can able to understand, for example, cloud concept. But my suggestion, you can take a certification on the AWS or Azure or GCP, then do some practical scenarios. For example, all the clouds are almost similar, but the names will be slight changing from cloud to cloud. So but once you expert in one cloud technology, it will be more efficient. When you learn or when you take the another certification, it will be more helpful to you. So that is the one another thing. Then moving into the certification part, certification is different type, but based on once you set the cloud, you just take the certifications on the Databricks or Azure or AWS, Google Cloud, plus one data warehouse. Take the one certificate like Snowflake, Synapse Analytics, something. That also, because when you get a lots of data, you need to store somewhere. So that is the importance of Snowflake. And one more thing after that, once we clear these things, we need to know, for example, how to build this system like an architecture level system design. How, for example, if you give like a system, the students are enrolled in a college, okay, so this is the system. So there are a lot of transaction will happen, there are separate departments are available. So make a like a website developing, you need to able to design the system and all the transaction handle with the absolute data types and all. So this is the another part. Once you complete these things, you will become more efficient and you can able to stand out in anywhere, because you covered almost all the portion and you are expert in the I mentioned the parts, right? So these are the complete way. So try this one. If you need any help, please enroll the classes also. Thank you.